Statistics, Unit 3, Collecting Data and Dispersion. Resources of collecting data. Primary resource: interview, question, observing and measuring. Accuracy: needs more time and money. Secondary resources: internet, media, agencies. Good, save money and time. The method of collecting data. Mass population includes all the society. Samples: save time, save money. Gigantic societies. Dispersion. Remember that the mean equals sum of values over number of values. The median of set of values is the value which lies at the middle of the set of values after ordering them. The mode is most repeated value or most common value in the set. For example, if the weekly wages in pounds of two sets of workers A and B in factory are A 170, 180, 180, 230 and 240, B 50, 180, 180, 190 and 400. Number 1. Find the mean to the wages of the two sets A and B. 2. Compare between the wages of A and B. Number 1. Mean of A equals sum of values over number of values. Then mean of A equals 200. Similarity: mean of B equals 200. Number 2. The mean of A equals the mean of B equals 200, and the median and the mode also equals 180 for each set A and B. Dispersion: it means the divergence or the differences among its values. It is a measure that expresses how much the sets are homogeneous. Dispersion measurements. Range and standard deviation. Number 1. Range of set. It is the difference between the greatest and the smallest value. Compare the two sets using range. Set A 51, 53, 55, 57, 58 and 60. Set B 42, 45, 47, 49, 52 and 92. Range of set A equals the greatest value minus the smallest value. 60 minus 51 equals 9. Range of set B equals 92 minus 42 equals 50. Then set B is more divergent. Number 2. Standard deviation. It is the most common and accurate measure of dispersion. We can calculate it by calculating the positive square root of the average of square of deviations of the values from their mean. It is denoted by sigma and it is read as sigma. First, calculating the standard deviation of a set of values. The standard deviation sigma equals square root sum of x minus x bar all to the power 2 over n, where x denotes a value of the values, x bar denotes the mean of the values, n denotes the number of the values, and summation. Example: calculate the standard deviation of the values 12, 13, 16, 18, and 21. Solution. Find x bar. X bar is the mean of the values equals sum of values over number of values. Then x bar equals 16. Form the table. x minus x bar, x minus x bar all to the power 2, and find the sum of x and sum of x minus x bar all to the power 2. Then sigma equals square root 54 over 5 equals square root 10 power 8 approximately equals 3.286. Second, calculating the standard deviation through a frequency distribution. For any frequency distribution, the standard deviation sigma equals square root sum of x minus x bar all to the power 2 multiplied by k over sum of k, where x represents the value or the center of the set, k represents the frequency of the value or the set, and sum of k is the total of frequency, and x bar is the mean equals sum of xk over sum of k. Example: the following are the frequency distribution for a number of defective units which found in 100 boxes of manufactured units. Find the standard deviation to the defective units. Solution: form the table x k x times k. Find the mean. X bar equals sum of x times k over sum of k equals 300 over 100 equals 3. Then complete the table like this: x minus x bar and x minus x bar all to the power 2 and x minus x bar all to the power 2 times k. Then sigma equals square root sum of x minus x bar all to the power 2 k over sum of k equals square root 204 over 100 approximately equals 1.428 units. Calculating the standard deviation of a frequency distribution of sets. Example: the following frequency distribution shows the marks of 40 students. Find the standard deviation of this distribution. Solution: sets, frequency, center of sets, x times k. Center of sets equals the lower limit plus upper limit over 2. Then the center of the first set equals 0 plus 4 over 2 equals 2. And the second 4 plus 8 over 2 equals 6. And so on. Find the mean. X bar equals sum of x times k over sum of k equals 504 over 40 equals 12.6. Then complete the table: x minus x bar, x minus x bar all to the power 2, x minus x bar all to the power 2 times k. Then the standard deviation sigma equals square root the sum of x minus x bar all to the power 2 k 817.6 over the sum of k 40 approximately equals 4.52 marks.